Hello guys, welcome to Fit Foodie. Today we have an incredible power omelette featuring spinach and cottage cheese. When omelettes come to mind, it's usually breakfast. Of course, it's a fantastic breakfast, but I also find it perfect for dinner since we should avoid carbs in the evening, but rather rely on proteins because the body can convert and absorb them super well at night. That's why I also find the dish a mega delicious, quickly prepared, healthy dinner. Eggs, of course, everyone knows, a great source of protein. I just think it's important. And I actually always make sure when I buy eggs that I get them from an organic farmer. If only I had a better conscience. Eggs have a lot of protein. One egg has about 6 to 7 grams of protein, and also eggs have a protein that the body can absorb best. If spinach isn't your thing, you can also mix in mushrooms, peppers, onions, or whatever you like. Important with the omelette is simply that you do not make the temperature too high, otherwise it will burn you from below and not yet firm on top. Therefore have medium heat and patience. I usually also add a lid on it so that it goes a little faster and also from the top becomes firm. I think cottage cheese is just totally delicious. I think it goes well with it. It's clearly even more protein, little fat, but you can also cut an avocado into small pieces or just enjoy the omelette zoo. If you like it, leave me a like. And if you are more interested in healthy, vegetarian and quick recipes, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other ideas, feel free to share them in the comments. Have fun trying it out. See you soon.